Hello students, topic for today's lecture is kinds of contract. The contract can be divided accordingly to the enforceability, formation and the performance. So first we'll deal the contract according to the enforceability. On the basis of the enforceability, the contract can be divided into following categories. Number 1 is a valid contract. A valid contract is an agreement that is being enforceable by the law. We can say an agreement is a valid contract when all the essentials elements of the contract is being fulfilled. Then comes void contract and the voidable contract. First is the void contract. A contract is called as void when it cannot be enforced by the law. When a contract is made but after its formation it becomes void due to the impossibility of its performance, subsequent illegality, rejection of a voidable contract, and when depending event becomes impossible. Now we come to voidable contract. When an agreement is enforceable by the law at the option of the one party to an agreement but not at the option of the other party of a contract is termed as an voidable contract. Now comes unenforceable contract and illegal contract. Unenforceable contract is a contract that is not enforceable in the court of law due to some technical defects like absence of writings, registration of the contract, stamp missing, or due to some other defects. Illegal agreement. Illegal agreement is when the performance of any act forbidden by the law. Such agreements are called as an illegal contract. Such agreement can never be considered as a contract. Next is a contract according to a formation. According to a formation, a contract can be divided into three kinds. First is express contract. Then express contract is an agreement is called an express when it is made by words. So we can say that a promise made in words is termed as an express contract. Next is implied contract. Implied contract is one which that is made other than words. An implied promise results in an implied contract when a person without being requested provides his service under some circumstances with the expectation that he will be paid and the person knowing such circumstances accept the benefit of those services. Now comes contract according to performance. According to a performance, there are basically contracts named as executed contracts. Executed contracts means when both the parties have completely performed their obligations. That is, it means that nothing is left to be done by all the parties under the contract. Then comes the unilateral contract. Under this contract, only one party makes a commitment. Under this, only one party is bound to perform while other parties choose to be bound by it. Now, in bilateral contract, under this, when a contract is made, all the parties to the contract is bound to perform. Under this, all the parties have to perform their obligations. I think the concept must be clear to you. Now we'll deal the other topics in the next class. Thank you.